Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to add and set up sections on your Wix website. So let us get started. First, go to your Wix website and access the left side menu. Under the Site and Apps section, tap on Website to begin editing your website. Click on Edit Site to make the necessary changes. To add a new section, simply move your cursor to the area where you want the section to be placed. A menu with various sections options will appear. Tap on the sections you wish to add or set up on your website. For example, if you want to add testimonials to the end of your website, scroll down to that area and click on Add Section. In the menu that appears on the left side, select Testimonials, since that is what you want to add. You can choose from different design options for testimonials. Once you click on your preferred design, the testimonial section will automatically appear on your website. Now, you can further customize it by editing the text and pictures as per your requirements. This straightforward process allows you to easily add and set up different sections on your Wix website, helping you create a well-organized and visually appealing website that aligns with your content and style. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.